everyone, you are welcome to Susu Rabbit. We want to take you around to show you how we raise healthy rabbit, our housing system, our feeding, and our general farm practice. Susu Rabbit Farm is focused on raising rabbits in a clean, stress-free environment because this will determine their health, their growth, reproductive system, and also their profit. If you have sick rabbit, you lose money. So we are very intentional in our farm. As you can see, our farm is located in a noise-free area, a serene area, noise-free, no distraction. This is very intentional. We choose this for this purpose so that our rabbit will be in a very good environment. Our housing units are very well ventilated. This helps to prevent overcrowding, fighting, and disease spread. You can see we are not packing rabbits in cages and there's no space. All our rabbits have space, they move freely. In our farm, we have two types of rabbit majorly. We breed, we have breeders and we have rabbit for meat production. This is the area that we want to expand. We are planning to expand and fill the whole of this space. And it's very possible. What you have seen, the area we have shown you is about 6 months of practice. We are about 6 months old. So we intend to spray and cover up the whole area. We feed our rabbit with greens, that is like groundnut hay, elephant hay. At times we cut it, wash it and dry it, sun dry it, and we also give them pellets, especially for the winners. We always provide clean water. It's very important. It helps them for digestion and milk production. So their drinkers and their feeders are always clean, and we make sure that the water we give them are always clean. We have about 5 types of rabbit in our farms. We have the Harlequin rabbit, we have the Hyla-Max, we have the Palomino rabbit, we have the Havana rabbit. All of them are good for breeding and for meat. As you can see, all of them are pair one in a cage. This helps to prevent overcrowding, fighting, and disease spread. This is our males. Rabbit is very good, I hope you know. Rabbit is good for diabetes patients, hypertensive patients. Why? Has very low fat and low, doesn't have cholesterol, and is very high in protein. Rabbit is one of the meats that is good for all ages. Old, aged, babies, everyone, anybody can eat meat. This is what we feed our rabbits with. We feed them with elephant grass, groundnut hay, tree dirt, and pellets. We also provide clean water always. They are always available because water is very important for rabbit digestion and milk production. We keep our cages clean always, and we monitor. We have a daily routine monitoring to check for any sign of sickness, which will help us to attend to them on time, and also check for rabbit that have not eaten their food or are inactive, which or we also check their poo to see if they are sick. If your rabbit is sick, you see it, maybe they are inactive, they are not eating food, or their poo is watery. Yeah, I can say that rabbit farming compared to other farm like maybe poultry is very cheap. Rabbit pellets are not as expensive as the poultry feed, and you have grasses to supplement for their feed. So for anyone that want to venture into agribusiness, I can boldly recommend that you start with rabbit. You can start with 2 female and 1 male. Remember, one female rabbit can produce up to 30 to 40 babies in a year. Are you doubting me? There's no magic in it. Rabbit gestational period is just 1 month. So for a beginner in the agribusiness, rabbit is very good. I can recommend rabbit for you. Yes, but it doesn't mean that you have to ignore your farm practice. Your farm practice is important. Your farm management is important, but with that, your rabbit will not fall sick. Our goal is to raise rabbit that grow fast, stay healthy, and are suitable for meat production and breeder. Thank you for taking this tour with me. If you are interested in rabbit farming or have question, feel free to ask. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.